When a CNC hair and scalp prosthetic is being custom designed, we first assess where the prosthesis should blend into the client's hair. We mark the distance from the bridge of the nose to the front of the CNC for positioning. We then design the shape to accentuate the client's facial features. The first mold we design is a die-cast to map the area of hair loss. Second is a mold which is read by a 3D printer in the lab at Ragazzi in Bologna, Italy. The 3D printer then creates an exact replica of the scalp, which is used by an artisan to handcraft each prosthetic. The foundation of each CNC is custom color matched to each client and has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, which help ensure the health of the scalp by allowing heat to pass through, making it breathable. The denier, length, curl, and color of virgin hair are then carefully chosen, hand blended, and injected one at a time into each CNC. When the CNC arrives from the lab in Italy, the virgin hair allows us to add highlights and lowlights and keep the integrity of the hair. No tangles or dry, unruly hair with a CNC. Before applying the CNC, the hair and scalp are cleansed of any impurities and coated to protect the hair and scalp. One nice advantage to the CNC is that it's not necessary to remove any existing hair underneath. The CNC can be worn as a permanent attachment with a dermatologically tested medical adhesive. This is a polymer that is applied to the existing hair and CNC. This will form a water-resistant bond and will allow the client to do anything they want, such as shampooing daily, doing hot yoga. There's absolutely no limitations once their CNC is attached. The adhesive is left to cure for 15 to 20 minutes. Then, as the CNC is applied, we work from front to back, applying it smoothly through the hair. Gloves are worn to keep any oils from the stylist's hands from getting onto the CNC. As you can see, we've custom colored the CNC. It's 100% virgin hair, which means it's never been treated with chemicals. The hair is the most luxurious virgin hair. It has a lot of tensile strength. The client can change their hairstyles, highlight, lowlight, whatever they'd like. The entire time they have their CNC, they're not stuck with the same hairstyle. The CNC can be thinned out to prevent the bulky thickness you see in many wigs or other hair replacement systems. Then we're ready to style the CNC. A little spray conditioner is applied to the links of the hair and you're ready to style. What's great is that you can do everything with the CNC that you could do with your own hair. The hair is soft, it doesn't tangle, you can wear whatever style you want, you can use a curling iron, blow dry it, you're not limited in any way. Visit mainimagehair.com to learn more or to schedule your free confidential evaluation and analysis.